The breaking news that's coming in regarding the Hathras stampede case. The Baba's lawyer has alleged conspiracy and he said that 15 to 20 men came with poisonous cans. Devotees were suffocated and there's a conspiracy to defame Bhole Baba. That's what his lawyer has alleged. Coming in regarding the Hathras stampede case, Bhole Baba's lawyer has alleged conspiracy against the Baba and he said that there is an attempt to defame Bhole Baba. And he's also said that about 15 to 20 men had come with poisonous cans and that devotees were suffocated.
हाँ, हट्टे कट्टे हाफ पैंट पहने गमछा डाले वो व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने वो जो भगदड़ करते समय भगदड़ के पीछे भी उनका एक कारण था कि उन्होंने जहरीला स्प्रे, जो नशीला और जहरीला स्प्रे था, उनके यहाँ हाथों में लगा हुआ था, जिसकी वजह से वो अपना भाग रहे थे सामने कि उन पर वो असर ना करे। देखिए कितनी बड़ी साजिश, कितना बड़ा षड्यंत्र रचा गया नारायण साकार हरि को बदनाम नहीं, पूरा मानव मंगल मिलन सद्भावना समागम खत्म करने के लिए।
Let me go across to my colleague Isha for more on this. Isha, even as the police are still probing this incident and accountability is yet to be fixed on Bhole Baba, in whose event this entire tragedy has happened, the Baba's lawyer now alleging conspiracy against him. Is there any word from the police regarding these claims?
Yeah, currently we are at lawyer AP Singh's residence only. In fact, before we actually begin as to what happened, we'd like to show our viewers a visual here. Request my camera person to also pan in to this visual of this self-styled Godman which has been placed at the wall of this lawyer. So this is AP Singh's office that we're currently reporting from, and this is where the image of the self-styled Godman Suraj Pal is also placed. So that is pretty clear that this lawyer is also an ardent follower of the alleged Godman. But what he alleged is that about 15 to 20 men came in Scorpios and they were carrying cans filled with poisonous gases, and this was in a bid to defame the Baba and defame and further cause problems. In fact, when we asked questions about why there were 2.5 lakh people allowed when the permission was only for 80,000, he did admit that, oh, that may have been a problem. But again, a lot of whataboutery when it comes from the lawyer's side, because when we asked him if he has submitted the evidence to the police or the SIT, he said that he hasn't and he will in the future if they ask him. In fact, another question that we asked him, that these are all allegations that you're making. Is there any basis to what you're claiming? To which he answered there are 3 people who he has spoken to who have told him that they have seen these men coming out of cars. So yes, a lot of whataboutery, Shreya, is what it's seeming like at the moment. No concrete proof apart from a couple of documents that this lawyer is showing, which is just a map of the entire event, but nothing concrete yet, and no information has been given to the SIT or the police yet as well. So that is actually very indicative of the fact about how his claims may be actually hollow.